Hi, this is Terry, and today is March 26, 2023, and I'm going to be doing some editing today of these fall cypresses. I space these guys about 2.5 feet apart, but the tag says 4 feet. Apparently, these guys have been growing so fast. I planted these in the ground late or in the fall of 2021. So they've grown at least 2 times the size that they were back at that time. So I'm going to be moving them because I think they would be happier if I spread them around a little bit farther apart from one another. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So if I've already dug up the holes where I wanted them to be, so that way it'll be a little bit easier for filming purposes. So I'm going to be moving this one and that one, and I'm going to be putting them on that side. And then anyway, we'll go ahead and get started. It's a good day to dig these up because it's wet and it's a little bit sprinkling earlier. It rained all early morning, so it's good. And if you have been following me for a while, do you know that I injure my back, so I'm not able to use my back like I used to, or I guess I shouldn't say use. You shouldn't be using your back at all. You're supposed to be taking care of your back. So my back is not as strong as it used to be, and so I'm trying to be careful. So today is actually a good day for me to do all of this because the soil is nice and soft, and hopefully I'll be able to get these guys up in no time. So I'm gonna be doing the time lapse just in case it's gonna take me a while because I'm not sure you want to watch me do this. Looks like it's coming out pretty good. I think that's perfect. Try not to hurt my garlic here. I think I might move my abelia a little bit farther up. I'm not gonna water it because I don't need to. Everything's nice and cool. Roots are allowed to go wherever they want, and I will probably be mulching this area very soon too. There. You're probably thinking, what about the Japanese maple, right? It's gonna be interfering with this, but I'm gonna raise the Japanese maple canopy up, and the Japanese maple will have all the root that it could get oxygen from all around here, and in the back of me as well, and in the front. So I think it should be fine. And then when I raise the canopy, this place should still get morning sun and afternoon sun too, I'm sure. That's it. All right, so this is a bonus for those of you who are interested. I'm going to bring this farther up. I was planning on doing this last fall, but I wanted to wait. So now is a good time to actually do it. So that way I'll give the fall cypress some room. I'll be able to bring this one up a little bit, and it'll be blend in with the gravel really well. All right, it is done. I was able to mulch some of the areas for now, but it looks so much better. So the justification why I wanted to move these over here is because I'll have some winter interest in this area. The abelias were, this winter was pretty harsh, so they died back down. So I was hoping they would be my winter interest, but they did struggle this winter. So by moving the fall cypress here, I'm hoping that it will look better, this area. And that deciduous azalea right there, it's supposed to be marginal hardy as well in the winter, but again, we had a harsh winter, so anyway, it died down. So, but there's an evergreen there that should help. So I might pop in another winter interest in front of it. I'm not sure right now. But anyway, here, this area, the winter interest is supposed to be that Rose Creek Abelia, but it struggled a little bit as well this past winter. So I might figure something out and do something over here in this area. I'm not sure, but that container is supposed to give some winter interest as well. So anyway, this, so when I moved the two fall cypress, it opened up this area so much, so I love it so much more. I didn't think I would, but I do like it a lot better. That opens up for this area here. I'm gonna have some plants popping up soon. All right, so looking at it from this view, you can see I have winter interest plants throughout, except the far corner there. I do have something there actually. My camellias, I have a couple camellias there, but they didn't do so well this winter. So supposedly it's a winter interest plant as well, so I might add an actual winter interest plant in that general area for sure. So starting from right there where I put that fall cypress, it's looking good so far. I got winter interest plant throughout, so I'm actually happy with the whole edit. So yeah, if this is something that you want to do, it's early in the spring, you can do it. And the best time to do it would be when it's wet like this. Um, anyway, and then if you have a bad back like me, it definitely helps out a lot better. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye.